Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. I first want to apologize that last week I didn't get to put a video. I had a lot of technical difficulties that was just annoying me. But here I am. So don't forget to subscribe and like, comment, share, do whatever. But most importantly, don't forget to subscribe. I am 2 subscribers away from 100. I cannot wait. I'm so excited. Okay, let's get started.
Wait a minute. What? Wait a minute. What? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. What? Wait a minute.
Alright, so you're probably wondering why my hair looks like this. I mean, why? Alright, so this weekend, I wanted to try to blow out my hair naturally without heat. That did not work. I looked it up and it said put rollers in your hair, put like the big ones when it's wet, and I did. But it didn't come out the way I wanted it to come out. But that could have just been the tip of my hair. So I did put some flat iron in it. Not too much because I don't want heat damage or anything. But just enough to like blow it out. So that's why it looks like this and not like it's usually how you say, what's the word, shrink. It shrinks a lot, so that's why I wanted to blow it out a bit. But I did the Bantu knots before and I failed miserably, but I kept looking for videos and I said, oh, I want to try it out again. So as you can see, they came out, I think they came out pretty well. Well, these two. So I'm gonna just show you what I did, and I'm also gonna leave a link to the video that I got help from, because of course I didn't do this on my own. Um so I'm gonna put the bantu knots in, and then when I take it out tomorrow morning, I'm going to show you how it looks, so you can see so you can see the finished product. But basically what I used is, of course, a comb, duh, to like part it and make sure I have like the right parting, and I have water to make it like moist and like wet it a bit. And then I have the oh, I don't know what's going on with me. The Eco Style professional style gel, black castor and flaxseed oil, which helps it stay down, as you can see. So I'm just going to show you what I do. Alright, so the first thing, I'm going to look in my mirror that I have here and look at the camera because I can't really do it just looking at the camera. So bear with me. Alright, so I started these two already. These two are finished. And then, so I like that I did like comb it. I did put the flat iron in because it makes it more softer. It makes it more manageable for me, at least. I honestly don't know what type of hair I have. I just know that it's weird because when I condition it, when I wash it, I'm able to comb it out. I use Cantu conditioner and shampoo. Now I do. Before I did it, and it makes it like much better to in my opinion, makes it here more manageable for me. But then after I wash it out, it's like, oh, we're gonna return back to our factory settings. So, it's just a little difficult. Alright, I'm gonna take this out and put this over here. Alright, so I'm just combing out. Make sure it's even and I don't have like a weird hair from here and then hair from over there. So I just want to make sure that it is even. Alright, so I combed it out. Make sure when you comb it out from like the bottom, from the roots. Because when you just comb it from like here, you're not really combing it out. You're just, combing through it. But when you comb from the bottom, from like where the roots are, then you're really, really combing it out. Just gotta keep checking that you don't like grab hair from somewhere else. Alright. So I did that, and then now I'm gonna wet it. what? This is supposed to get you. I don't know where you came from. I don't know where you came from either. You have to stop. Alright, so it is wet. I'm going to comb it through again. And then I'm going to take my flaxseed oil. And then I'm going to put it on the hair. And put it through. And then, oh my god, it's like catching all this other hair. It's like this other hair just wants to be with it. I don't know what's going on there. Alright. Okay, so now you're going to take your finger and then you're just going to twist it around. And then you want to make sure that as you're bringing it around that you're twisting it because it will unravel. Make sure it's not. And what I do instead of like trying to, I just use my finger as I go around. And like how you unravel like a ribbon or something. Instead of unraveling it, I'm actually raveling it around. So you're basically retwisting it. But that's okay. Like you just want to make sure that it stays. Put some more. Maybe I didn't put enough. Maybe that could be a reason. Okay. Alright, we're going to try again. We're going to make sure that it doesn't catch anything. Ugh, this is literally like a workout. If I don't gain some muscles after this, I'm going to be pissed because this is literally a workout. Alright. Like I said, I'm going to keep. Now it doesn't want to do anything. I'm getting so upset because it was so good before. Okay, I think we're getting somewhere now. Okay. I guess the more here, the more difficult it is. Alright. Just fix this one. Okay. Alright, so it is finally done. The third one. Oh, Jesus. That was a workout. So I am done with these Bantu nuts. I believe some came out better than others, but like I said, this is like my second most, pretty much first attempt at Bantu nuts. So this is it. I will actually put some grease in the front. And then tomorrow morning, I'm going to get up early, just in case I don't like it. And I'm going to take it out and see how, how it came out. So I'm going to let this ride right now, putting some gel in the front. I can sit down, and then I'm going to tie it down. And then, yeah, I'm going to put some gel in the back. Alright, so yeah. So I'm going to take it out in the morning. I'm going to take a picture so you guys can see the results.